Hello mga auntie! So this is Osaka and today we will be trying the Kushikatsu. Ayan. So para siyang mga tempura fried on a stick. So that's the restaurant na pinuntahan namin. Wala masyadong queue. We are lucky enough. Otherwise, ang haba-haba ng queue dito. Hello mga auntie. So dinner time. And we will have beer. And this is our dinner. And give it. It's onion. Next. This is beef. Grabe ang sarap. Shrimp. Sarap. Talong. Talong. Quail egg. Oishi. It's good. But I will eat. Fish. I wish I could share this with you guys. Ang sarap. Grabe dito sa Japan, lahat masarap. Never pa ako nakakain since I came ng hindi masarap.